Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the Delta Executor for Roblox. This works on iOS and Android. No jailbreak needed. So as you can see, I got it right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, guys, it is fully working. Now sometimes they do make me watch an ad, which is kind of stupid, but it's just to keep it running. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just running this. All right. So just watch the ad and all the videos and stuff that you gotta do, but it's pretty simple. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this right here, as you can see. All right, so I'm just gonna join a game now and show you guys that the Delta Executor actually works. So let me just go ahead and join this game right here just so you guys can see, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So it's super cool. So yes, it actually works. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So yeah, as you can see, we got all the settings right here. This fully works, so it's super crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So yeah, it's super cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. All right. So let me just go over here. You can see all the settings. So yeah, this is super cool. All right, so let's go ahead and do this now, right? So what we have to do is go to the website install-delta.com. So let me just go ahead and type this in right here. So this is the website, guys. We're actually going to be able to install the Delta Executor. So let me just go to the site. So I'm just going to type it in. All right, so let me just go over there. Press start injection, and after that it's going to ask you if you're using an iPhone or an Android. So you just want to go ahead and pick the device, press inject, and finally, guys, we have to do verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps and follow instructions 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm going to press verify now. It's going to bring me the list of apps, and all I have to do is download 2 of these apps. Now it doesn't matter which one, but just make sure you get 2 of them. So I'm going to do the Lumo VPN, so it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second to redirect me here, as you can see. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let me just go ahead and go back on the list. And for me, I'm going to go ahead and do the Family Island. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So now I'm going to go to the home screen, just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So let's just go to the home screen and see if they're downloaded yet or not. So the VPN's done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just playing around with it. So yeah, this is pretty easy, guys. So I'm just going to do that right here so you guys can see. All right, so yeah, I'm just running it. So yeah, pretty simple stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. As you can see, all right. So I'm just running this right here. All right, so now I'm going to do Family Island. This one's a game, so I just got to go ahead and run it right here, as you can see. So yeah, the games can be a little bit more challenging, but you guys should have no problem doing this at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. All right, so just playing through it. Okay, pretty easy. So yeah, just running this right here. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. All right, just playing through it. So anyway, guys, once you're done, you should have the Delta Executor on your device. So I'm just going to run this through a little bit more here, as you can see. All right, so I'm just playing through it. Okay, just running this right here. All right, so yeah, it's pretty easy. So I'm just going to do that, as you can see. All right, so just running this. Pretty simple, honestly. So let me just do that. So anyway, guys, once you're done, you should have the Delta Executor on your device. So be sure to try us out. It's super crazy. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. But if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. It's super awesome. And as you can see, guys, I got all the settings right here. So it's super crazy. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. If you guys do not have it on your device, this actually works, guys. You can see all the settings right here. So yeah, it is super crazy. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys. It totally works. So if this video works, you guys be sure to go and share it. See you guys in another video, and peace out.